नमस्कार, पळोवया प्रुडंट खबरो. राफाल कथीत स्कॅमात पर्रीकराचे नाव डिलाच्यो फायली पर्रीकराचे बेडरूमात काँग्रेसीन रिलीज केलो विश्वजिताचो ऑडियो. पर्रीकार विश्वजित म्हणटा असले उलोवणे जावकूच ना. काँग्रेस देशपेराद. काँग्रेस म्हणटा पर्रीकाराचे बेडरूमांतल्यो फायली मोदी सरकारान करच्यो जाहीर. बेडरूमांतले राफाल फायलीचे सिक्रेट लोकां मुखार येवंक जाय. एआयसीसी तापयता इशू. विश्वजिताचे ऑडियो वेल्यान लोकसभेत बोवाळ. टेप चलोवंक दिवची म्हूण राहुल गांधीन लोकसभेत काडलो इशू. टेपीचे सत्यतेचेर प्रश्नचिन्ह. जेटलीची हरकत. लोकसभा दोनदा तहकूब. आरोग्य मंत्र्याच्या कथीत ऑडिओ संभाषणात सरकाराविशीं युती वांगड्याचो मतभेद उक्ताडार. प्रमोद सावंताक सुदीन विजयाचो खंय विरोध. विश्वजीत म्हणटा डॉक्टर्ड ऑडिओ. कस्टमान दाबोळे विमानतळार धरली 19 लाखाची फॉरेन करन्सी. बंगळूर गोवा दुबय फ्लायटीर पॅसेंजर वतालो बंगळूर सावन दुबय. पॅसेंजर ताब्यात. आणि रणजी ट्रॉफीत गोंयचेर पाळी आता जिकू किंवा मरू म्हणटा कोच प्रकाश मयेकार. राजस्थानान गोंयाक 10 विकेटींनी धाडायले. राफाल डिलावेल्यान विश्वजीत राणेच्या ऑडिओ क्लिपान गोंया सावन दिल्ली मेरेन खवदळ. विश्वजिताचे खांद्यावेल्यान आदलो रक्षा मंत्री पर्रीकार आनी प्रधानमंत्री मोदीचेर बॉम्ब. राफालाच्यो फायली खंय पर्रीकाराचो बेडरूम आनी फ्लॅटांत. हे पर्रीकार स्वता मंत्र्याकडेन उलयला म्हूण ते ऑडिओत संभाशण. ऑडिओ क्लिप काँग्रेसीन व्हायरल केलें. विश्वजीत म्हणटा तो असले कांय उलोवंकूच ना. ऑडिओ फाल्स. पर्रीकाराचें ट्वीट तेंच.
Good evening, sir.
Boss, good evening. I told call today. There was a 3-hour cabinet meeting.
Okay.
Just keep it confidential. Just so you all know something.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Nixon, very interesting statement that I have all the information of Rafael in my bedroom.
What are you saying?
I'm telling you, no?
My God.
Which you should actually make a story and put it because you can cross check with somebody who you're close to from within the cabinet.
Okay.
Because this is how this is something which he said. That means he's holding them to ransom.
I swear.
He said it's in my bedroom here only in the flat. Each and every document of Rafael is with me. Now whether he wanted somebody to go and inform them in Delhi or what it is, I didn't know. I didn't understand.
My God.
I called you to tell you this thing.
My.
But we need to have a meeting because you need to communicate certain things to tell you what will be the outcome of this whole thing.
Sir, you tell me now, sir. Whenever you tell me, I'll be there.
I'll tell you. You just brief and keep because it will go in that direction only. I'm very, very clear.
Okay.
What's going to happen?
So you let me know whenever you want me to
I'll
come
do
down.
that. I'll do that.
I'll make myself.
I'll do that. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Bye.
विश्वजीत म्हणटा तो खंय असल्यो गजाली केन्ना उलोवंकूच ना. ऑडिओ फाल्स ही काँग्रेसीची गेम.
They have stooped to such a low level to doctor a video to create miscommunication and between the cabinet and between our chief minister. Manohar Parrikar has never made any kind of reference to Rafael or made any kind of reference to any kind of documents or anything. I have already informed my party president and national party president Shri Amit Shah ji regarding the happenings of the doctored video. I have also sent a detailed email along with a copy of the letter written to my Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar asking for a criminal investigation and also the voice to be tested by any specialized agency. Congress party is a defunct and is a party that has got no kind of ground. They don't have issues. They are trying to create and sensationalize the Rafael. Never has this discussion of this issue taken place. This doctored video needs to be investigated by the police and the crime branch, and I have also written to my national party president Shri Amit Shah ji to please ask any top national agency to investigate into it and to come out so that these mischievous culprits can be exposed. We will come to know exactly who has given whom, what has given whom, who has given whom the bite. All these things will be exposed. I am being made use of as a pawn in this whole thing. There is no question of discussing this issue anymore. I rest it here by putting the letter to the Chief Minister's office, and I leave it to the Honorable Chief Minister to take it forward.
अशे तरेच्यो गजाली सहज म्हणून सुद्दां कोणाकडे उलोवपाची खंय माणसुकी ना. विश्वजितान कानांक पिळी घाला.
It makes me more alert that such things also can happen in politics. Today I am a victim, tomorrow somebody else may be a victim of things. So one has to be very careful, and one has to be very, very focused on what one says. Even casually any conversation cannot take place or even said, but this is something which is to be investigated. There is no point in me trying to tell all of you sitting here on any subject, because I have asked Amit Shah ji to rope in a national agency also to please check this audio.
हाचेर मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान सीएमओ वरवीं ट्वीट केला. तो म्हणटा असली कसली चर्चा मंत्रिमंडळाच्या वा खंयच्याच बसकेन जावंक ना. काँग्रेस देशपेरात जाल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
काँग्रेस म्हणटा पर्रीकाराचे बेडरूमांतल्यो फायली मोदी सरकारान जाहीर उक्त्यो करच्यो. पर्रीकाराचे बेडरूमांतले फायलींनी कसले सिक्रेट आसा ते लोकां मुखार येवंक जाय म्हूण AICCन दिल्ली विशय लावन धरलो. काँग्रेसीन लोकसभाय तापयली. कामकाज दोनदा तहकूब.
The entire cabinet heard what Mr. Parrikar said, and essentially what Mr. Parrikar is doing is threatening the Prime Minister of India, blackmailing the Prime Minister of India, because he has information about the Rafale deal.
काँग्रेस ऑडियोचेर ठाम. तांकांय चौकशी जाय.
राफेल डिलाचेर जे आमचे गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष आसात बाब गिरीश चोडणकर 4 महिने फाटीं सांगिल्लें की मनोहर पर्रीकर बरो नासतनाय हे प्रशासन चलना आसतनाय ही खुर्ची धरून कित्याक आसा. आनी ताजें कारण म्हळ्यार एकूच की मनोहर पर्रीकरा कडेन राफेल डिलाच्यो मोदीच्यो फायली आसात. आनी आज तें सिद्ध जालें. गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीची मागणी आसा आमचे जे होम मिनिस्टर आसात राजनाथ सिंग हांणी हाची दखल घेवची. ज्यो एजन्सीज आसात CBI सारके ह्या स्टेटमेंटाची हांणी दखल घेवची आनी ताबडतोब गोंय राज्याचे मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांचे बेडरूमाची झडती घेवची आनी ह्यो फायल्यो खंय आसात, खंय लिपोवन दवरिल्ल्यो आसात, कसल्यो फायली आसात, केन्नाच्यान आसात, तांचे घरान ही चवकशी करची. आणि आज जर विश्वजीत म्हणटा राणे की आपण हें उलोवना जाल्यार ताजी लाय डिटेक्टर टेस्ट जावपाची गरज आसा. त्याच बरोबर मनोहर पर्रीकर हांची लाय डिटेक्टर टेस्ट जावपाची गरजेची आसा. आय थिंक इवन पर्रीकर शूड बी गिवन पोलीस प्रोटेक्शन इमिजिएटली, बिकॉज ताजोय केन्ना तो कोण जस्टीस लोया या लोधा जावपाक शकता, नाजाल्यार हरेन पांडेय जावपाक शकता, कारण हो स्टेटमेंट पर्रीकरालो आसा असो विश्वजितान सांगलो.
मंत्री काब्राल आनी मिलिंद नायक म्हणटात ते कॅबिनेटाक आशिल्ले. असलो कसलोच विशय मंत्रिमंडळाचे बसकेत खंय आयिल्लो ना.
राफेलाचो शब्द गोंयचे कॅबिनेटान लागनाच जाल्यार डिस्कशन कॅबिनेट कशें करतले. आनी हे जे सगळें आसा इट इज म्हाका दिसता इज अ कुक्ड अप स्टोरी which Girish had initiated, which can be seen on the next day of the press, amche cabinet, which has reflected on that statement. And amcho artist friend, another friend, artist friend, has used some sort of mimicry artist and created this audio, and which is being circulated. I have, as Mr. Vishwajit himself has asked to do a thorough inquiry, we are also asking Honorable Chief Minister to do a thorough inquiry and bring this culprit to book. This is creating unnecessary stresses for no reason and no fault of the Honorable Chief Minister, who never discussed any of these matters in the cabinet because it has got no connection absolutely of the cabinet.
The tape is authentic. There might be other tapes. There might be many other tapes of that nature doing the rounds. I don't know. I have no idea. Do you think Mr. Parrikar will not deny? No, but you would, but listen, I mean, if you were Vishwajit Rane, would you not deny it? You sure about that? Oh no, you sure about that?
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
आरोग्य मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेच्या ऑडिओचेर लोकसभेत प्रचंड गोंधळ. काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधीन विश्वजिताचो ऑडिओ लोकसभेत चलोवंक दिवचो म्हूण विशय काडलो. अरुण जेटलीन हरकत घेतिल्ल्यान सभापती महाजनान काँग्रेसीक टेपीचे सत्यते विशीं लेखी दिवंक सांगलें. टेप चलोवंक दिना म्हूण राहुलान ऑडियोचें संभाशण वाचूंक सुरवात केली. गोंदळ चालूच उरिल्ल्यान लोकसभा दोनदा तहकूब करची पडली.
Do I have your permission to play a little tape recording?
No,
This is a tape recording.
Speak whatever.
This is a tape recording of the health minister of Goa.
Today, he wants to rely on a recording which is false and fabricated. Let him authenticate it, place it on the table of the House and open himself for an action of privilege. There is no such procedure that he can play a tape. He has to authenticate it, take a responsibility
That's right.
and face an expulsion from the House.
That's why I am not allowing him.
It is a recording of a minister in the Goa government
please, Rahul.
where he is clearly stating something the chief
Please
minister of
listen
Goa
to
has
me.
stated in a cabinet
एक
meeting.
मिनट,
with your
आप इस तरीके से नहीं कर सकते हैं. राहुल जी, प्लीज लिसन टू मी. नथिंग विल गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड लाइक दिस. आप उसको लिखित में ऑथेंटिकेट कर रहे हैं.
Give me the mic. Thank you. Ma'am, do I have your permission?
Are you authenticating it? That
Okay, madam.
recording?
If you are not going to
No,
give me
no.
permission because they are scared, I will read the transcript of the recording.
No, you have to authenticate it.
Good evening,
No.
sir.
I am sorry.
Boss,
First
good
you have
evening.
to.
I had called today.
Rahul ji, please listen to me.
No, wait, no, no.
Are you authenticating
I
it?
called today. There was a
It will not go something.
Hey, he can't make others speak alive.
Not like this.
If it makes you happy,
No,
I will not play the tape.
Because it is false, he refuses to authenticate it. This man lies repeatedly. ये झूठ है इसलिए आप ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं करना चाहते. आप ऑथेंटिकेट करिए. अगर आप मानते हैं ये सच है तो ऑथेंटिकेट करिए.
The house stand adjourned to meet again at 2:30.
कस्टम ऑफिसरांनी दाबोळे विमानतळार एकल्या पॅसेंजरा कडच्यान 19 लाखांची फॉरेन करन्सी जप्त केली. बंगळूर गोवा दुबय फ्लायटीर तो पॅसेंजर बंगळूरच्यान दुबय वतालो. कस्टमान ताका ताब्यात घेतला. एप्रिल 2018 सावन गोयच्या कस्टमान खंय 55 लाखांची फॉरेन करन्सी जप्त केल्या. घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक. सरकारात कोण कोणाचे तोंड पळयना. मंत्रिमंडळाचे बसकांनी कोफुजावां कास्तिस्तांवांच चड. युती पक्षाक प्रमोद सावंत मुख्यमंत्री जाल्लो नाका. विश्वजीत राणेच्या ऑडियोचेर हो दावो. प्रमोद सावंत खंय RSSचे तेक्यार मुख्यमंत्री जावंक सोदता. सुदिनांनी विजय जावंक दिनात म्हणून विश्वजीत हे ऑडियोत पत्रकारां कडेन उलयता. विश्वजीत म्हणटा ऑडियो डॉक्टर्ड हे काँग्रेसीचें कारस्थान. तो चवकशी मागता.
काँग्रेसीन बुधवारा सकाळी हो ऑडियो रिलीज करून व्हायरल केलो आणि सगळ्याक खवदळ. ऑडियो रिलीज केलो राफेल कथीत स्कॅमाच्या फाटभुंयेर. त्याच ऑडियोत विश्वजीत आणि एका पत्रकारा मदल्या फोनार हे फुडले संभाषण. हालींच 3 वरां लांबिल्ले एक कॅबिनेट बसके उपरांत हे संभाषण जालां अशें ऑडियोच्या आशयावेल्यान दिसता. ऑडियो आयकत जाल्यार सरकार, मंत्री, युती पक्ष सगळ्याचीच अंदरकी बात एक्सपोज.
There were so many fights, so many fights. Nilesh Kabral has gone and recruited maximum engineers from his constituency. So everybody, Jay Salgaonkar got the list and showed it to him. So everybody was fighting with him and everybody was upset because no work is being done on the recruitment front.
Okay.
Babu Asgaonkar was fighting with Sudhin Dawekar because these works are not being done.
तातूंतच सभापती प्रमोद सावंताक मुख्यमंत्री करूंक गेल्यार सुदीन आणि विजय तयार ना. संभाषणाप्रमाण ऑडियोत विश्वजीतूच सांगता. ऐकात.
And 3 hours cabinet meeting, like, literally heading nowhere, or was there some kind of a thing?
Nothing, it was heading in directionless, waste of time.
Sir, tell me something. Why is this man suddenly so interested in having an assembly session, that our speaker?
Because he feels that the RSS will back him to become chief minister.
Achha. He's on his own train.
He's on his own train. Somebody else is there. That side Sudhin is very clear that he will not support him. This side Vijay is very clear that he will not support him.
कॅबिनेटाची अंदरकी बात वाऱ्यार घालपी ऑडियोचो बॉम्ब फुटला खरो, मात विश्वजीत म्हणटा हे खंय काँग्रेसीचे कारस्थान. नाशिल्लेच ऑडिओ रिकॉर्डिंग ताच्या माथ्यार मारपाचो यत्न.
Sir, there is one more thing that you spoke about Pramod Sawant.
See, listen, I want to tell you one thing. I am saying that the video is doctored, so there is no question of giving clarification. I am saying the voice is not mine only. I am not running any race. Manohar Parrikar is back in action. We are happy to see him in the secretariat, and we will cooperate with our Chief Minister to whatever extent he expects us to cooperate. I spoke to Manohar Parrikar. He said, make sure you give it, inform the media, and make sure that letter reaches me. I will immediately ask for a probe.
So when you say that you are there for Congress,
Yeah, I am.
so do you think that you have become second run in the?
No, why should I become? See, listen to me. This is a national party. National party doesn't make anybody first, second, third. National party decides in the interest what they feel is best for their party organization, who can lead their party. It is a decision of the Bharatiya Janata Party in as far as Bharatiya Janata, but where that discussion of that issue is not relevant today. Today, when Manohar Parrikar is handling the state affairs, why that issue should be discussed again and again? I have already told Manohar Parrikar, I have met him personally and told him I am happy as I am. I have no ambition at all. I only want to serve the people of my constituency. That's it.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
गोंय रणजी ट्रॉफीत एलिट ग्रुपांतल्यान प्लेट ग्रुपांत रेलिगेट जावंक पावला. आपले निमाणे मॅचीत गोंयाक ओडिशांत वचून थंय बोनस पॉयंटा सयत जैत जोडपाची गरज आसाच. तेच बरोबर त्रिपुरा राजस्थान मॅचीचो गोंयच्या फावरात रिजल्ट लागपाची गरज आसा. गोंयचेर ही जिकू किंवा मुरूची पाळी. राजस्थानान गोंयाक 10 विकेटींनी धाडायल्या उपरांत गोंयचो कोच प्रकाश मयेकराची कबुली.
आमी ह्या वर्सा खरेंच बरी करूंक ना काम. स्पेशली फेलियर इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ बॅट्समॅन. पळोवंक गेल्यार आमकां ओपनिंगान केन्ना स्टँड दिवंक ना बरोबर. फक्त एक मॅच सोडून अगेन्स्ट जम्मू काश्मीर 40 रन्साची पार्टनरशीप. फ्रॉम देर आमकां खंयचीच एक बरी पार्टनरशीप ना गांव. आमी तयार केल्ले प्लेयर दर्शन, अमोग, मागीर आतां नेवो सुयश येयल्लो, मागीर हे सगळे, मागीर स्नेहल कवटणकर, हे सगळे बरे प्लेयर. कित्याक केन्ना ना केन्ना इवन अमुल्य पांढरेकर फॉर दॅट मॅटर्स, हे बरे प्लेयर आमचे आसा. हांकां खंय तरी एक्सपोजर गावपाक जाय आनी बरी टीम जावपाक जाय म्हणून मॅनेजमेंटान हे डिसिजन बरें घेतले. पण हो विदावट सिनियर हो आमचो फर्स्ट एक सिजन आसलो आनी तेंच्यांनी तो कॅपिटलायज करूंक ना. म्हाका खूब वायट दिसता. आमकां साथ जाय. आमी खूब ट्राय करतले बिकॉज आमकां आतां जिंकूंक किंवा मरूंक अशें आसा. सो वी वील ट्राय अवर लेवल बेस्ट टू वीन दीस मॅच अँड लेट्स सी. आय हॅव स्पोकन टू आमच्या भुरग्यां कडेन उलयलां. आयज ऑलमोस्ट 1 वरां मिटींग केलें हांवें तेंकां आनी तेंकां सांगलां इम्पॉर्टन्स आमचें कितें आहा तें, कळ्ळें तुका न्हू. अँड आमकां खरेंच खूब हार्डवर्क करचें पडटलें प्लेयरांक, स्पेशली आमची बॅटींग. आनी यू नेवर नो वॉट कॅन हॅपन.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.